Hello, my name is Daniel Werner, Chairman and CEO and General Overlord of Wernerware Software, a one-man shoestring software company making apps for Android cell phones. Today I would like to show you my very first application, Finger Fireworks. It's pretty simple. Check it out. In addition to this, you can alter the settings so that it looks somewhat like a spirograph. You can have it trace the paths of a different kind of gravity. You can even do a couple of them at a time. This application is available for free on the Android market. Just search for Finger Fireworks or Daniel Werner in the market search screen. I hope you enjoy it.